Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks about DJI's upcoming action cameras. If you're a tech enthusiast or love staying updated with the latest gadgets, this is the video for you. Let's start with the new models. DJI is set to release two new action cameras, the Osmo Action 6 and the Osmo 360. These cameras promise to bring exciting new features to the market. First, let's talk about the Osmo Action 6. This model is the successor to the Osmo Action 5 Pro. It builds on the strengths of its predecessor and brings even more advanced capabilities for action photography and videography. With improved stability, enhanced image quality, and better low-light performance, the Osmo Action 6 is set to impress. Users can expect top-notch performance and reliability from this new model. Next, we have the Osmo 360. This is DJI's first 360-degree action camera. It allows users to capture immersive, all-around footage, making it a strong competitor in the 360-degree camera market. The benefits of a 360-degree camera are numerous, including the ability to create interactive and engaging content that can be viewed from any angle. Whether you're capturing extreme sports, travel experiences, or creative projects, the Osmo 360 offers a unique perspective. Its potential for virtual reality applications also adds to its versatility. Speaking of competition, the Osmo Action 6 and Osmo 360 are set to compete with other top action cameras like GoPro and Insta360. With DJI's reputation for quality and innovation, these new models are sure to make a splash. DJI has always been known for its cutting-edge technology, and these cameras are no exception. They offer advanced features, robust build quality, and exceptional performance. The competition will certainly have to up their game to keep pace with these new entries from DJI. The details of these new cameras were leaked by @Quadro_news. The leaked images and specifications have already generated a lot of buzz and excitement among tech enthusiasts. The tech community is eagerly anticipating the official launch and hoping for more details to emerge soon. The reaction to these leaks has been overwhelmingly positive, with many people expressing their excitement for the new features and improvements. As for the launch, it's expected to be soon. However, there is no official date yet. We'll be keeping an eye out for any announcements from DJI. Given the excitement surrounding these leaks, it's likely that DJI will reveal the official launch date in the near future. Speculations are rife about what the final release might include, and tech enthusiasts are waiting with bated breath for the official reveal. In addition to the main features, there may be potential additional features or accessories that come with the new models. These could include various mounting options, underwater housings, or even advanced editing software. Such accessories would further enhance the versatility and adaptability of DJI's action cameras, making them suitable for a wide range of activities and environments. In summary, the DJI Osmo Action 6 and Osmo 360 are two exciting new action cameras set to compete with the best in the market. With advanced features, immersive capabilities, and the potential for additional accessories, they promise to enhance your photography and videography experience. While the official launch date remains unknown, the anticipation is building, and we can't wait to see what DJI has in store for us. We'd love to hear your thoughts about these new models and what features you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.